So the most commonly asked question about the Lunch and Learns are, what topic should I have? What should I present? And what I would recommend is pull something that will engage people. We are going to be marketing this online, and so we want to make sure that we are hitting all the different personality styles of real estate agents. That's who we're trying to market to. So please, when you're considering it, consider the current market, not something from a long time ago. CE 101 or something very basic is not going to pull the audience that we're hoping to get.
Yeah, so we really want to draw people in. So when you're filling out your form, you're going to be putting your title, a description, and then bullet points. And we want to make sure that that's engaging, because I'm going to be taking that information directly and I'm going to be putting it on our marketing. I'm going to be putting it on a website, a registration page, and then I'm also going to be giving you some marketing that you can utilize and share with your people. And one thing that we're also going to do is I'll be reaching out to you before and scheduling a Zoom call with Jeff. We're going to do a little teaser trailer video so that we can give people a taste of what your training is about. And again, we just want it to be really engaging. We want to show your personality and show what kind of presenter you're going to be.